The Tuteby Arduino dev board is a powerful tool for prototyping and creating electronic projects. It features the popular 8MB 328P microcontroller, which makes it compatible with a wide range of sensors and modules. The board includes 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz quartz crystal, a USB connection, a power jack, and a reset button. It can be programmed using the Arduino IDE, making it easy to get started for beginners and flexible for more experienced users. The Uno dev board can be used for a variety of projects, including building robots, creating interactive art installations, and developing IoT devices. With its versatile set of inputs and outputs, it can be used to read sensor data, control motors and servos, and communicate with other devices over a network. Its small form factor and low cost make it a great choice for educational applications, where students can learn about electronics and programming in a hands-on way. Overall, the Tuteby Arduino dev board is a versatile and user-friendly platform for experimenting and creating with electronics. Whether you are a hobbyist, a student, or a professional, it offers a great way to bring your ideas to life.